Good afternoon, students. So today I am going to discuss about there is medium of connection. One is wired, another one is wireless. Wired connection you can get in TV, then telephone line. In this all you can get wired connection. Wireless connection you can get through mobile telephone lines. Mobiles, in the mobile you can get the wireless connection, and also you can get Wi-Fi. Internet is also wireless connection. So in the wired connection, what are there? Twisted pair cables, coaxial cable, optical fiber, these all are used in the wired connection. Different type of cables that are used. Cables that is commonly used in local area network. In the local area network, when you can transfer the data from one computer to another computer, that it covers a distance into a short time. That is called local area network. Coaxial cable introduced in 1920. It is a telephony network. In the telephone, these wires are used. Coaxial cable. Optical fiber. What is optical fiber? It is flexible and transparent and stand of a glass capable of transmitting light between two ends of the fiber. It uses light pulses instead of electrical pulses for information transmission. Switch and router. So this is router and this is modem. Modem is of two types, internal modem and external modem. Some modem are inside the computer and some modem are outside the computer. Those modem are inside the computer, that is called internal modem, and the other computer that are outside the other modem connected to the computer, that is outside connected, a small square box will be there, that is called external modem. So internal modem is of low cost. It is connected in the CPU motherboard. This is router. Router is choosing the best path to transmit the data. You can transmit the data, it choose the base path. And modem only transfer the data. It does not choose any path, but it provides an internet connection to the computer. This is the difference between router and a modem. So now you see modulation and demodulation. In modem, it modulates the digital signal to analog, analog to digital, again demodulates it, digital to analog, analog to digital. So this is called modulation and demodulation. Type of network. What are the type of network? Now, just now I told you about LAN. LAN means local area network. You can transmit the data between two computers in where twisted pair cables are connected. So twisted pair cables are connected in local area network, that is between two computers. Between two computers you can connect with a LAN. What is PAN? PAN is a very short distance coverage area, 30 meters or 10 feet. You can connect through Bluetooth or cables or infrared. You can connect it. This is called PAN. So you can see in page number 15, you can get this PAN, LAN, MAN. What is MAN? MAN is the largest area network that covers a large area. It is of larger area and spread in the city, whole city. It covers the whole city. 50 kilometers is covered a distance around 50 kilometers. So this is about MAN. So what are the difference between PAN and LAN? What are the difference between LAN and MAN? This all, again one is there, that is WAN. What is WAN? WAN spans over a large geographical area, country or a continent. It covers a country or a continent. So you come serially. PAN is a short, LAN is little more bigger than MAN. It's covered the city, and WAN it's covered the whole continent. And gradually it cost also increases. Network topology. Suppose topology means what? Suppose some numbers I have given you to write in a serial order. So you are writing, somebody is writing 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and it is writing down serially. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. And somebody are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. So this format, one is writing like this, other one is writing 1, 2 like this. These are the topology, different type of formats. So topology means also ring topology is there, means the computers are connected in a circular position. That is called ring topology. This is circular position. Then you can see star topology. What is star topology? Star topology means the networks are connected in a, suppose, star. It connects it like a star. Here the computers will be listed here. So this is called star topology. Ring topology, this is a circle. And bus topology. What is bus topology? It is on the serial order. Like this it will be connected. So these are the different formats of connection. One is bus topology, another one is circular topology, and other one is ring topology, and this one is star topology. So these are the different type of format that networks are connected. What are architecture? This is about the topology I told you. I told you about LAN, PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Different type of connection are there. Coverage, distance are there. And you have to just write the difference in that. You have to write the difference. How much area it covers and up to how much area it covers, how much area it covers the distance. So this one you have to write. And network architecture. What is the architecture? So this one I am going to explain you on the board. What is architecture?